We will talk about how you will introduce yourself in Arabic. So, for example, you're meeting with someone who speaks Arabic and you want to tell them something in Arabic. You just want to tell them who you are. So, this is what we're going to talk about. Before I start this, welcome everyone. My name is Allah, and my email address is allah.arabictutor@gmail.com. I teach one on one. Feel free to send me an email. And I opened a shop on Etsy. I'm a graphic designer as well. So I opened a shop on Etsy. It has all Arabic words, Arabic art, Arabic stuff. It's called Ara Lola, Aralola. And also on all Christmas hoodies and Christmas sweaters, most of them there's a discount if you enter the code save now, one word, capital letters. So Save Now is going to give you a discount on most of the Christmas sweatshirts and hoodies. My shop has a lot of different things like home stuff, computer, mugs, necklaces, clothes, sweaters. I have all over the place. So I notice some people are buying the necklaces and they like them. So maybe I'll focus on that. I don't know. Just let me know. Communicate with me and just send me emails. Anyway, let's start. So let's say let's say you're going to say, my name is, for example, for me, my name is Ala. I am from whatever country you are from. I work, let's say, analyst, or I work a teacher, I work a nurse, I work a doctor, whatever your job is. I like Arabic. I assume you all like Arabic since you listen to it. And I want to learn it. So this is what we're going to say. My name is. So the way you would say my name is Ism. Name is Ism. My name is me. So we are adding e to the end of the word because that's my name. So ismi, and then you say whatever name, like whatever your name is. So for me, ismi Ala. I'm from Ana. I am Ana. Ana. Men. From is men. Like the word men in English. Ana men Palestine. And I'm very sad for what's happening in Palestine, by the way. Like, it's heartbreaking. We can talk about this later. Let's keep going. I work بشتغل. So I'm using a verb for اشتغل and for I work. So basically the verb, how we do it is the verb includes the pronoun and the form and everything. Like I assume a lot of people don't know how to do verbs, but the way we do verbs is like the verb, one word is going to include a lot of things. So I work is basically one word in Arabic, and it is بشتغل. 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 So بشتغل, you can say whatever you work. I did an episode not my last episode, the one before, I believe it's about what you do for a living, so you can listen to that as well. Otherwise you can just say what you work in English, like بشتغل teacher, بشتغل nurse, you know. I like Arabic. I like بحب العربي. I like it. We basically say I like the Arabic. So بحب العربي. And I want to learn it. And is u. Simple. And is u. I want to learn it. I want is بدي. Learn it. أتعلمه. So أتعلمه is basically I learn it. So I learn it is the word, one word. أتعلمه. أتعلمه. In this like small paragraph we already have three verbs. It's I work, I like, and to learn, I learn. If you notice, we started all of them with a ba, the letter ba, B. بشتغل, بحب, بتعلم. I want, excuse me, I want in Arabic is not a verb. So that's almost all the rules in this paragraph. So I'm gonna say it again. اسمي ألاء. أنا من فلسطين. بشتغل مدرسة, which means teacher. بحب العربي وبدي أتعلمه. اسمي, again, I'm gonna do it again. اسمي ألاء. أنا من فلسطين. بشتغل مدرسة or teacher. بحب العربي وبدي أتعلمه. I hope this was helpful. It doesn't matter if you are a male or a female, it works for both genders. And I hope you got it. Thank you so much, and feel free to send me emails, ask me any questions. Thanks.